Look at the size of this place. Oh,
Hi there, you two.
hi, Cameron. Thanks for having us here today.
Bananas.
Sure thing, Baboo. We do have bananas in the produce section, right next to the apples.
He likes bananas. Hey, Cameron, how many different kinds of food do you have here?
We have many different kinds of foods here. You want to have a look?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, great. So this is where food comes from.
Not exactly, Howie. All this food that you see on these shelves came from all sort of different places. Most of the foods we get, like wheat, fruits, and vegetables, are grown on farms or greenhouses.
And then the food comes here.
Not yet, Howie. Most of these raw foods go to many different factories and turn into other foods.
Oh, like what?
Take bread, for instance. Wheat from the farm goes to a mill where they grind it into flour. Then it goes to another factory where they bake it into bread and package it.
And then it comes here?
Almost, Howie. All those food goes to our food distribution facility, which is a huge building where our trucks are loaded up with boxes of food to go to all of our many grocery stores.
And then the food comes here?
That's right, Howie. This is where we stock all the foods and make sure that it is fresh for our customers. We have food from the nearby farm and all around the world.
I was just wondering if maybe I could...
Help yourself, Howie.
Yummy. Let me see if I have this straight, Cameron. Food starts out at farms and greenhouses, and sometimes they take that food to factories to make it into other foods. Then it gets loaded into a great big building, and then trucks pick it up, and finally it comes here to the grocery store.
You got it, Howie.
How about you? Do you see now where food comes from and how it gets to the grocery store? You do? Great! Well, now you know!